Hi there, today we're at Munmorah Conservation Area. We're going to do the walk along the coastal track down to Wybung Heads, do the walk along the coast, cross Frazer Beach and out to start the point. From there we're going to return to our starting point. The walk is around about 10 kilometres long. It should take us around about 5 hours to complete. Let's go have a look, let's go for a walk and talk. After driving to the Munmorah State Conservation Area, park my car in Campbell Drive opposite the start of the walking track. We'll cross the road and start the 3.5 kilometre walk along the Wybung Track to Frazer Beach and Snapper Point. Shortly after the start, the walk goes into a little gully along the short boardwalk section of the track. From this vantage point, we get glimpses of Lake Munmorah on the right, then across to Birdie Beach on the left. This road would take us down to Wybung Head, but I've decided to continue on to Frazer Beach. We'll be able to see Wybung Head from sea level. We've reached the end of the walking track and there's a strong onshore wind blowing onto Frazer Beach. Looking south out to Wybung Head, the walk out towards it looks interesting. Looking across Frazer Beach, we'd have to Snapper Point. Boulders of all sizes are strewn on the sandy beach at the base of this cliff. The tide is starting to come in. There's Wybung Head just over the other side of that inlet. I think I need to move a little bit quicker. The sea has started to invade this section of the rock platform. I really like this spot. It's a lovely little pebbly beach. Making my way through the boulders back towards Frazer Beach and Snapper Point. I think the water will soon be filling the area that I'm walking through. This is a beautiful spot, but can be dangerous if you don't take proper care. Many fishermen have lost their lives fishing off the rocks in this area. Frazer Beach is a beautiful place to come for a swim in summer. It's about 400 metres wide. You can actually get here by car if you want. We just need to cross over this little rock platform to get to Wybung Beach, then on to Snapper Point. Wybung Beach is sheltered by the point. It's a small 50 metre wide beach, perfect for a swim. After crossing Wybung Beach, it's out onto Snapper Point. It's popular with fishermen and fisherwomen. There are a number of life buoys, just like this one, spaced out all around the point. Making my way over these rocks with my camera in my hand probably isn't the best of ideas. I've made my way to the headland above Snapper Point. It's a great view. Here's a memorial to the fishermen that have lost their lives fishing off these rocks. Looking north towards Wybung Head, there's a sea cave at the end of this little inlet. It's time to start making my way back. It's time to leave the beach behind and start to climb back up the top of this hill. It's steep, but luckily it's not too long. I'm at the highest point of this walk. You can see Bird Island, it's just off Birdie Beach. I'm not 100% sure, but I believe these are a variety of acacia, a very showy shrub. I'm back at the starting point. Today's walk was relatively easy, with the only steep section being the climb back up from Frazer Beach. The walk was around about 9 kilometres and took me around about 4.5 hours to complete with all my video and pic taking. I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit a like, subscribe, share and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.